Okay, so tell me, how did you come up with everything correct at one go? Is it because you know me so much, or you guessed correctly, or the quiz was too easy? Because you got my first priority, birthday, followed by wedding anniversary, followed by Christmas, and then Easter, then Valentine's Day being the last, and you got everything correct.
I think it's both. It's easy, but also you need to understand.
Yeah.
With these occasions, they differ with age or they change with age. Mwana mudiki achizvarwa, when you are 1 year to about 16 years or so, you are preoccupied with yourself. Your birthday, you are the center of focus, you receive gifts and things like that. So you'll see that when you are young, a birthday is very important, and Christmas as well becomes very important because you are getting all goodies, the Christmas tree is there, and it excites you as a young person. But once you get to 16 years and above, you now start to think about life, dating someone. So you see that Valentine's Day becomes very important. From someone who gets to about 16 to early 20s, or even some people to late 30s, Valentine is very important. Once you get married, then obviously the wedding anniversary becomes a very important thing. And you see that the wedding anniversary will preoccupy you about for more than 30 years. When you get to your 50s, early 60s, you still hold that dearly. Then once you get there, Christmas is still important, but you then start to see that your Christmas celebration, once you get to 60s, is more to do with going to church. Once you get to 75 years above, when you hear stories of dry bones, when you start to panic, when you hear dry bones, because you now see that your days are numbered, then Easter holiday becomes very important. You start to go to church not to get the Easter egg, but to really focus on the cross, because you now know your days are almost there.
So are you trying to say my priorities are misplaced?
No, they are not misplaced. They are going according to your age. At the moment, you are celebrating your wedding anniversary, you are celebrating your birthday, but with the time, you'll see that Easter becomes very important. You want to spend time at church, but give it time. So in essence, the importance of these days or holidays
or
occasions, they align with your age group. You can't be at this when you are 90 years still be preoccupied with Valentine's Day. It doesn't make sense, isn't it?
Yeah, but birthday, I'm sure.
Yes, you will be. You will be.
200 years.
Yes, you will be. But sometimes it is more to do with people celebrating your birthday than you celebrating it, because sometimes you don't even know what they are doing. They even go all night long celebrating your birthday when you are already asleep. So it is to do with your age.